Today guys, in this video review we consider Hydra X project, Notice, Purpose and Dignity. This video will be in English format, so guys, especially for you, we'll let Russian subtitles for convenience, please don't do it. I think you understand tendencies that only healthy competition in market allows it to flourish. Due to competition, companies are trying to present best product for their customers, thereby providing their superiority in market. But I think you will agree with me that not every businesses can afford to allocate huge funds for this venture. It costs a lot of money, tools and time, and with a failed investment, businesses may suffer a total collapse, which is also very alarming. Cryptocurrency is also no exception. This is a young market, it has huge potential and future, due to which world can change drastically for better. We have repeatedly analyzed problems of cryptocurrency financial platforms, analyzed and compared what is and what is offered to us by various specialists. Today's review is no exception, since its idea is very bold and extremely popular in broad layers of cryptocurrency users. Hydra X is a unicorn fintech company which is based on paradigm of two financial worlds associated with traditional and modern technologies. Project itself comes from Singapore, which already gives it too many advantages that allow it to confidently assert itself outside world national space. Since we know that Singapore is a powerful and advanced technology that is clothed in experience and knowledge of first-class professionals. If we analyze company Hydra X in more detail, it is based for a new multifunctional platform called Sigma. As you have already understood, by traditional and modern technology, developers had in mind trade of classical assets expressed familiar to us, stocks and goods, along with decentralized digital assets and CFDs and VX, and what to do it all in real time and from one resource. In order to achieve most efficient, powerful and sustainable solution to all financial processes, founders didn't choose any particular technology, as it possible to solve such a complex problems only together, complementing every single element range of other technologies. That is why the topic of blockchain keys is only basis, a kind of framework on which a number of other auxiliary elements necessary for a quality solution of all services are based. Moreover, developers had a truly incredible task to create such an interface that each participant of system, starting from a simple broker, ending with a different level of investor as well as trader and other supplies of traditional assets, would feel safe and like a fish in water. Therefore, Sigma platform has an adaptive system of functions where each function can do adjust where you need to in order to comfortably conduct their professional activities, which I found very convenient. Another striking advantages of Hydra X project is Sigma platform is a security system which eliminates storing your API keys on its server, keeping them locally on your computer. It is important to know the Sigma system doesn't change any fees and other hidden keys often found on other similar financial resources. Active social environment built within framework of platform complements this wall bucket of privileges. Thanks to it, Sigma participants will be able to easily and quickly exchange with each other all necessary working materials, as well as mutually beneficial cooperation, and enrich themselves with the new trading strategies. Environment will be divided into several categories and defining private and public chats, where in principle all possible communication will take place. Summing up logical results of its review, I want to know high partner support for this project. The Sigma system already has a number of connections to such popular cryptocurrency exchanges like Poloniex, Binance, Coinbase and others. Moreover, founders of Hydra X are currently actively in negotiation with traditional exchanges and brokers in order to ensure with this possible range of interaction. It is also important to know that you can get acquirement with platform now, as it already has already working models and can be tested in practice. That you in principle and recommend to do. After all, registration on their website is free, due to which you can easily access all above advantages now. If you have any question about the project, ask them in the comments under the video. You can ask a question is official Hydra X group in Telegram, where they will tell you more about the project. They will not leave you without attention. Links in the description under the video, and I say goodbye to you. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.